Lifestyle Fran, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and join us. And if you are returning, welcome back. Today I will be doing a what's in my bag video. So I absolutely love this bag. I received this bag for Christmas and it is super duper cute. So this bag is a Michael Kors bag. It is in a beautiful taupe tan color. I needed a bag this color, so I love this color. And this is the front. It has this cute little Michael Kors chain there. And then this is the back. It has the two pockets on the side where you can set like your phone or your cables here in the side. Normally I do have my phone in my bag, but right now I'm recording with my phone, so you won't be seeing that. So we'll start off with the inside. Here's the inside of the bag. It has a neat zip pocket in the middle, and then it has two sides on the end. Against the inside, it has a neat zipper here. And then it has a lot of compartments also in the inside, pockets where you can set mirrors, or like on this side you can set pins and different things. So I love my bags to have lots of different pockets. So for this bag, I do love the strap length. With this length, it's easy to carry mid-length. It's also converts good into a shoulder bag. It is a nice length there for a shoulder bag, so I do love that a lot. So let's get to seeing what is inside my bag. So we are going to start with the first pocket here near the back, and in this I usually carry my iPad. This is the iPad Pro 10.9 inch. Right, 10.9 inch. I should know that. But it is the new iPad Pro, and I love this because it is a nice size. The screen, I love the screen size, and I have my cute little winter background. I have the Apple Pencil, and pretty much I use this for everything. I use this for movies, for Netflix, I use this for Hulu. I have games on it, so if I'm out and I'm waiting somewhere, I can pull it out. And then most importantly, I love my calendar, which I use, and I love my Good Notes app, okay? So this is one of my favorite apps here, and I have all my different journals. So if I'm out and about and I have different ideas, I can write it in. I have my everyday schedule, my YouTube journal, life goals. So I love to keep different journals in this app, and then I like to write maybe if I'm out and about. And then another thing I love about having my iPad with me is I love my Kindle app, guys. I love to read, so I have lots and lots of books on my Kindle app, if you can see here. So I love reading, and my iPad is always with me. Let's see what else is inside of my bag. Headphones. I almost always have headphones in my bag. Mostly I have headphones for when I go to work, because I like to listen to music on my lunch and on my breaks sometimes. So that's why I have headphones in my bag. In this middle pocket here is where we're at next. And I also usually keep a charger. Gotta stay charged up and connected. So always got that charger. You never know. You never know. And then also in this middle pocket, I usually keep hair brushes. Now this one, when I have my hair in its natural state, I always keep this, and also with this in my bag. The edge control, okay, ladies, edges have to stay on point. So I usually always have this in my bag. And then I have this brush for when my hair is down, just to brush and touch up my hair. Alrighty, so in the front pocket, I always keep two pins, if you can see, or I'll turn it this way. I always keep two pins there. And that's so, you know, if I need to write anything, I always have a pen. You never know when you'll need a pen. And then here is my makeup bag. So I always keep my makeup bag in my purse. Now, I got this makeup bag for Christmas, and it is super duper cute. I love this makeup bag. But let me tell you guys, okay? My makeup bag does not look like this, ever. So I am taking it upon myself to really keep this makeup bag nice and neat. I'm going to show you guys my makeup bag. This is my makeup bag. Whew. Now, this is normally my makeup bag, and what happens is I lose the cap to my eyeliner, and then I put the eyeliner in there, and that's what the inside looks like. So today I went out and I got new eyeliner, new eyebrow pencil, cleaned off all of my products, the lipsticks and stuff that I keep inside, and I put it in my new makeup bag, and we're gonna keep it nice and neat from now on. So this is what is in my makeup bag. I got this for Christmas and it's super cute. And what I keep in it is I always keep some lippies in there. So this is the number 7. I just got this and I really love this lip gloss. That's what I'm wearing now. It's number 7 and this is at Target. So this is a really nice lip gloss. So I really like this. It's light, it's not super heavy, it's not sticky, and it gives it a little small color and a nice shine. So I really, really love this lip gloss, and this is number 7. So I like this. By Target. I'll be back. Target. Not by Target, but at Target. And then I have some eyeliner in my makeup bag. These are the essentials that I always have with me. This is a eyebrow pencil. That is always in my bag. Then I have my CoverGirl mascara. This is always in my bag. And then for my eyeliner, I don't get too special, ladies. This is just the Wet n Wild. These cost like 99 cents, and that's what I have on right now. So I keep it pretty simple with the eyeliner. I also have on this brow pencil now, and this is Remmel's eyebrow pencil. So again, this is like $3.49. So I keep it pretty simple with my eye makeup purchases. I also have a cute little pocket mirror in here, and this is super cute little pocket mirror. I got this from Forever 21. I had this a while now. And then also it's winter time, so I have some cold weather essentials, and this is just some Zoom Kiss all natural shea butter lip balm in the flavor peppermint. So gotta keep the lip balm on deck. All right, so lastly, I usually keep some other lip colors in the inside of my bag just in case I want to put on a colored lip. So I have the Rich Ruby, I think this is Rimmel, not sure. I've had this a while, but it's a cute red color. And then I have this Marc Jacobs little sample I got for one of my birthdays at Sephora. This has lasted a long time, and this is a really nice lipstick. So I haven't had a actual Marc Jacobs lipstick, but I really like this one, so I might get one when it runs out. But this has lasted me forever. I don't wear it every day, so that's probably why. And then that's all I really keep inside of my makeup bag. So we're gonna keep this makeup bag nice and neat. Alrighty, so a couple other things that I keep inside of my purse is, of course, my wallet. This is a super cute wallet. This is a Coach wallet, and I really, 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 really love this. I use this all the time. My aunt gave me this one Christmas, so thank you. I really love this, and I use this every single day. It is the perfect size, so that's what I love most about it. And in the inside, I have, so first, in the inside, this is what it looks like. It has a nice pocket here for card holders, and then here's the inside. Now this wallet was a phone clutch, so I got it a while ago, and I've kept it in good condition. I got it when the iPhone 5 came out, is when I received it as a gift. So it actually used to fit the iPhone 5 in the inside, so it was like a phone case slash wallet. But now, of course, it no longer fits the phones. I have a 7 Plus, and I still think it's the perfect size. So as you see, my wallet and stuff fit in there perfectly. So got some cash. And I have, so this little thing I got from Forever 21. I don't know, it was $1 and I thought it was cute. So, in here I just keep like my healthcare card and just extra cards that might be floating around. My Huntington, got my Dave and Buster's game card. And I have also just little extra cards like reward cards and stuff. That's all I keep in there. And then in this is my favorite thing. I got this for work. I mean, I got this at work as a gift, and I literally use this thing for everything. So it's a cute little card holder. And then here is my ID or my driver's license. Y'all don't need to see all my personals, but got my driver's license. My picture is cute, okay? It came out good, y'all. I was super excited when I saw this picture, because if I had my old license, guys, if I had the old license, you don't want to know. So to come out looking like this, it's a plus. And then lastly, inside my bag, I just have some hand cream. So I love this hand cream. This is the Burt's Bees almond and milk hand cream, and it's really thick. So in the wintertime, I always have to have some form of hand cream in my bag. It is a absolute necessity. The wintertime, my skin is super dry and moisturizing is important. I also wash my hands a billion times a day, so my hands are always dry, and this is a lifesaver. So I do recommend this cream if you have dry hands. Alright guys, so that is the end of what's in my bag. That's it. We have gone through everything that I carry in my bag. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. Also, let me know in the comment section what are some of your favorite or must-have products inside your bag that you carry every day. Also, make sure to, again, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. So, thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, peace.